Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G22 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So I promise it is the easiest operation which you probably can do on this device, because all you have to do in order to show the percentage is to enter the settings and find the battery. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got the battery percentage option, which is currently of course turned off because we've got only the battery indicator. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will immediately appear next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on this switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.